I have some really good news for you guys. To finish this car before summer. For the aesthetics and for the looks. This is stuff you don't see, and that's what I will work on at this time. In that case, I'll just make a lot of pieces, like I've already begun to. Already made the next piece right there. But I'll keep on making some pieces of metal from the places I need to weld in new metal, just like this piece. I have some really good news for you guys. I got the nanometer, I think it's called, replaced by a new one. And now I'm just ready to go back in and weld. I already made 2 pieces, as you have seen. But yeah, I think I'll go in and weld those in and see where I'll go from there. Probably I'll go in and grind everything up right in here. So it's just a minor setback. Not that major as I thought it would, because this stuff is just not to be messed with. I know it's not that cheap to just replace a CO2 bottle. I have done it before, because the welder it wasn't all the way airtight. So I lost pretty much a whole CO2 tank because it wasn't sealed all the way. And when unseen things happen, like the O-ring just breaks, we'll have to find a new solution. This time it was to replace the whole nanometer and just get right back to work. So I'm so happy that we already got this fixed, because I still have a schedule to finish this car before summer. So I'll have to put in a lot more hours, as I've done in a couple of months. And if you don't know yet, or if I just haven't told it before, I'm not a professional. I don't have a degree in anything. I just try my best and do what I can do, and I also get some guidance from some mechanics. But it seems like you really like the videos, so I'm so happy that you do that, because it's just fun to make and also fun for me to look back when the time comes. So let's get right back to work. We'll start with the piece that I made first, and we'll put it in, approximately right here. And then after that, I think we'll put in this piece that will hopefully bend around the corner right here. Well, I hope we can do that. Otherwise we'll have to make some cuts in it, and but we'll see. First we'll do this piece. I think it's pretty good, because it has been, probably a month since I last welded anything. And also with the new nanometer, just got to learn that adjustment. So I think it turned out pretty good, and now let's just weld it all the way. Well, as you know, not this side, but these 2 sides all the way. Yeah, we just got this welded in. Now it's time for the next piece. We'll have that right here. Oh. And as you can see, there's a slight curve to it, and we can just, it will approximately be like right there. I'll I'll have to do a little bit of adjustments, but it'll be around there, and then we can go further and do the other pieces in here. We'll also have to repair most of the top here, but I don't think that'll be that much of a problem actually, but we'll see in that time. Now it's time for this piece. I got it pretty much in. I think I'll just weld this side up too, and then I'll see what's the next thing, because I cannot weld right here because there's nothing to weld to. So I'll either have to go into the trunk right here and see if I can do anything right there, or I'll have to make the piece that go across right here and weld it up, or else I'll just go right back to finishing most of this and just grind it all the way down. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll weld it all the way up as much as I can and I feel comfortable with, and then I'll grind it all the way up, all of this, so we can get it all the way pretty and make the lip also flow correctly. As you can see right there, there is a little gap that I'll have to fix so it's pretty, and I know, yeah, there's right there too, and yeah, I'll do that. Here we have it all grinded up all the way. It looks so pretty. If you can see, come on, focus. And the corner right in here, it also turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. With also the rest of it, how that all turned out. Looks so good and much better and stronger than before. Just forgot it's pretty hot. As you can see, it's so shiny and clean. I'm so happy with the result. Now the next thing to do, just take out those little pieces of metal, because there's 2 layers of metal in the lip. So I'll just have to make it all flow with each other. Take out small bits and pieces just like there too, and yeah, just make it so it's smooth all the way. Of course, with the exception of this little hole here. So I'll just do that right now. Shouldn't take that much time. And here it is, all finished. Finally, got it all smoothed out, and as best as I really could do it. And we also got it all smoothed up around the edges here, so it all flows correctly and makes good sense. And there's a good lip here. As there should be, all the way around, and oh, that's so good, so nice to get it all finished. Now there's only minor work in this wheel case, and As you know, there is some work right here, and hopefully that shouldn't be that much of a problem. A little bit here, that can probably be one piece at least, and wait, up here connects this piece with this up here. All, yeah, as you can see, it's all this piece. Hopefully that shouldn't be much of a problem. I think I'll make a piece that fits over this hole, and then all the way up, and then I'll see if I'll have to, if I can replace the other piece from inside, inside the trunk, from the other side, that because yeah, but that really should be it. And of course there's also this little piece here, and some minor work around the perimeter right here, but that will be in a much later video, and that I won't really focus on when I work inside of it. I'll just, because it's pretty much outside. It's more for the aesthetics and for the look. This is stuff you don't see, and that's what I will work on at this time. So, but I think this will be in the next video of me going further, welding in new pieces and doing more rust work. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and watching me finish the little lip up here. I'm really proud of myself and how it turned out, and also which problems I had to overcome, and also that the welder got some problems too, and we had to replace some of it. So if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and also consider going into my Instagram and follow that so you don't miss out on anything. And I'll see you in the next one.